guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another Vellabox. Vellabox is a candle subscription, so you get either an 8 ounce or a 4 ounce, or you can get an 8 ounce and a 4 ounce. Prices range from $10 to $30. If you get just one candle, you do have to pay shipping, but if you get the double box, then you don't have to pay shipping. Plus the boxes come with an extra goodie, deodorant cream. Well, all right. Rosemary patchouli from Little Seed Farm. I want to wait, is this what this smell? Something in this box smells pretty strong. I don't know why I assume that it is the foil wrapped deodorant when there's a box of candles here. Okay, so each month they have candles from a different candle company, which I think is really awesome. They're all small batch, you know, little smaller candle companies. So I like that idea of supporting them. Luna and Rae Candle Co. hand-poured soy wax candle. Okay, so this is my 4 ounce Beach Bonfire. Mandarin, Damask Plum, Summer Amaryllis. Is that a thing? What is that, a plant or something? Bonfire Smoke Toasted Marshmallow. Oh. That is a lot going on in there. These are pretty strong, not super strong. My last box of the candles were very mild, you know, which have its place, absolutely. And then you have the really strong candles for other times that you need something really strong to cover up last night's fish dinner or something, you know? Okay, so I'm getting a lot of marshmallow. Something smells kind of woodsy, but mostly it's like sweet, but like the more I smell it, the more I'm smelling, like the different smells come up. So anyway, that smells really lovely. I'm excited about that one. Cute little bags this month. These are such great reusable bags. Seagrass and citrus. Okay, so this one says seagrass, oak moss, fresh citrus, sea salt, and sage. Whoa. That one smells like clean laundry. It smells good though. It's not just laundry. It's really fresh, but a little bit citrusy. Yeah, it kind of smells like cleaning supplies, but like really nice ones. Because it does smell really clean and fresh, and yeah, that's actually really lovely. I like that a lot. These are both really great. Sometimes I get candles that I'm not crazy about and I just throw it back in this cute little bag and give it away as a gift. And everybody always loves getting candles, right? So even if I don't like the scent, that doesn't mean somebody else won't. And that way I can, you know, have a little gift on hand for somebody. This chapter feels really good. There's a little card in there. I'm really curious about this deodorant cream. I do have sensitive armpits and, oh, but it says it's baking soda free. Yay! So awesome! Another great Vellabox. I love these boxes. I have so many wonderful smelling candles around the house, and I do burn candles pretty much daily because, you know, I like things to smell nice. So anyway, all of the information will be in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!